Well, this is a beautiful way to start the day. What a beautiful life these geese have. In and out of the water. They got each other to count on. Have you ever noticed that about geese? They usually travel with a bunch of them together. I usually see 15 to 20 at a time. Calm, peaceful life they have. The worst thing I ever saw in my life was this group of geese walking through town. I was on my paper route, and some jerk sped up and hit the geese. That was a sad thing to see. It just reminds me how cruel humans can be, and why I love geese for bringing the world peace. Ain't that peaceful? In California, I did a video about the helicopters flying over. But here, I'm watching an eagle fly over. This is real America. I have a feeling one day all the helicopters in the world will fall, but the eagle will still fly free. This used to be a swimming pool. Now it's a place for the dog to sit. This dog found a little piece of heaven today.